Welcome to Ajax by the Lake, a beautiful waterfront community boasting conservation areas, 7 kilometers of multi-use trails along Lake Ontario, rolling parklands, and fantastic recreation spaces. Nestled on a tastefully landscaped, private, pie-shaped lot, and represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, 14 Garnett Drive is a beautifully renovated 4+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms, situated within South Ajax's desirable Discovery Bay community. This home showcases a spacious open-concept layout with large principal rooms that offer a warm and welcoming ambiance as well as an aura of intimacy. Freshly painted throughout, the main level's dark hardwood flooring is set against a tasteful neutral decor, while upgraded light fixtures complement the natural light that streams through windows, complete with California shutters. The living room's bay window overlooks the front gardens, and the classic elegance of this space is carried into the adjacent dining room, which has the added illumination of a modern farmhouse chandelier. Ceramic flooring is laid on the diagonal in the kitchen and its breakfast area. The breakfast area also featuring a lantern-style light fixture, 2 huge windows, and one of 2 walkouts onto the backyard deck from this level. Very recently renovated, the custom gourmet kitchen showcases solid granite countertops, a servery area with accent pot lighting, a raised breakfast bar, and subway tiled backsplashes, white cabinetry with balanced lighting and great storage to stay organized, as well as a stainless steel fridge freezer, a Viking gas range with hood, a built-in dishwasher, and a double undermount sink. The family room has the second walkout to the backyard deck and also showcases a striking accent wall with floating shelves that surround a floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace. The wall pass-through above the servery counter opens the family room to the kitchen, while further enhancing the openness of the dining room are 2 additional wall cutouts along the hallway wall. The main level also features a double coat closet in the foyer, a spacious den that is ideal for home office use, a laundry room with a front-load washer and dryer, storage cabinets, an outside entrance, a closet, access to the garage, a tiled folding counter, and a stainless steel sink, as well as a powder room with a pedestal sink. The powder room, the laundry room, and the foyer all finished with ceramic flooring laid on the diagonal. Both staircases to the upper and lower levels have dark-stained hardwood treads and white risers, the upper staircase having a hardwood and wrought iron railing, with the upper level showcasing dark hardwood flooring, California shutters, and upgraded light fixtures throughout, 4 very spacious bedrooms, and 2 recently renovated washrooms, both with heated floors. Outside the main 4-piece washroom is a linen closet, and this washroom has been updated with a marble tiled floor, a vanity with marble countertop, and subway tiles finishing the walls and the bath area. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have double closets and offer plenty of space for the growing family, with the third and fourth bedrooms easily accommodating study areas for older children. quite generous in its size. The master suite showcases a light-washed and spacious sitting area overlooking the backyard that enjoys multiple exposures with its 3 huge windows, a contemporary chandelier bringing ambient brightness, and a walk-in closet. With this retreat also showcasing a luxurious spa-like ensuite washroom that has upgraded tiled finishes, a chandelier above its freestanding tub, an oversized shower with a partial glass wall, a niche with accent lighting, rainfall and handheld shower heads, and a corner shower seat, a towel warmer with linen shelves below it, as well as an elegant vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and mirrors with striking modern vanity lights. Other important features of this home include a double driveway with no sidewalk, the double-car garage having 2 openers and remotes, upgraded smart light switches, central air conditioning, a humidifier, a furnace with 3-stage air-to filtering, and a smart thermostat, newer windows and sliding exterior doors, as well as solar-powered vents on the roof. While the fully developed lower level has new motion-sensing safety LED lights with its staircase, and is finished with new vinyl flooring throughout. Offering exceptional living and entertaining space, this level showcases a large recreation area with a wet bar, as well as abundant household storage. And this level also features a bedroom, washroom, kitchenette, and a secondary recreation area, allowing for the potential of an in-law suite. A French door separates the main recreation area from the suite, which has this home's 3rd walkout to the backyard. The kitchenette comes with a fridge, a stainless steel sink, and cabinets. The newly renovated washroom features a tiled floor and shower area, as well as a gorgeous furniture-style vanity with stone counter. And this washroom is a semi-ensuite to the very spacious bedroom, which has a walk-in closet. Professionally landscaped, the property has a flagstone walkway to the front entrance and an interlocking walkway from the driveway to the backyard. This walkway also accessible from the garage and the laundry room and leading to a 2-tiered wood deck with step lighting. The backyard is an entertainer's delight. The upper deck is accessible from the breakfast and family rooms and overlooks the yard. The lower tier has a large sitting area next to the year-round enjoyment of a hot tub. The interlocking patio has plenty of space for dining. Garden beds add color and greenery, while the surrounding fence line and trees brings privacy to this beautiful outdoor retreat. Offering the lifestyle of lakeside living in a great family neighborhood close to reputable schools, this home enjoys proximity to many other prime amenities, including shopping plazas, Durham Region Transit, GO Transit, quick access to the 401 and the 407, as well as community-oriented services, a conservation area, parks, and recreational facilities. For a private viewing of this fine home, or if you wish to learn more about the Ajax by the Lake communities, contact Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.